Are you tired of struggling with cookware that sticks, burns, or simply doesn't perform as promised? Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, you deserve kitchen tools that deliver performance, durability, and ease of use. This Bezia 6-quart nonstick stock pot with lid, a versatile, high-quality cooking pot that is designed to elevate your cooking game and streamline your kitchen experience. From simmering stews to cooking soups, pasta, and even curries, this stock pot promises to be the perfect companion for all your culinary adventures. Let's dive into what makes this pot stand out from the rest and why it should be a must-have in your kitchen. Why choose the Bezia 6-quart stock pot? When it comes to choosing the right cookware, it's important to consider factors like quality, versatility, and ease of use. Here's why the Bezia 6-quart nonstick stock pot with lid stands out from the competition. Health-conscious design. With its granite coating that's free from harmful chemicals, this stock pot is perfect for those who want to cook healthy meals without worrying about toxins. Convenient and easy to clean. The non-stick granite coating ensures easy cleaning, making it a great option for busy cooks who want to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying their meals. Efficient and even heating. Thanks to the aluminum body structure, the pot distributes heat evenly, ensuring your food cooks consistently every time. Compatibility across all stovetops. Whether you're using a gas, electric, halogen, ceramic, or induction stovetop, this pot is designed to work seamlessly on all types of cooking surfaces. Oven-safe and versatile. The ability to use the Bezia pot in the oven expands your cooking options and lets you prepare a wider range of dishes with ease. Shatterproof glass lid. The perforated design of the lid allows for moisture release while keeping the flavors intact, offering more control over your cooking process. Key features and benefits of the Bezia 6-quart nonstick stock pot. Free from harmful chemicals. One of the biggest concerns in today's cookware market is the use of toxic chemicals. Fortunately, the Bezia 6-quart stock pot is crafted with a healthy granite coating that is free of PFOS, PFOA, and other harmful substances. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that no dangerous chemicals will leach into your food. Retain nutrients in your meals. The non-toxic coating also preserves the flavors and nutrients of your ingredients, ensuring your meals are as nutritious and delicious as they are safe. Mess-free cooking experience. How many times have you struggled with cleaning sticky food residue or burnt sauces from your pots? The rough granite non-stick coating of the Bezia stock pot prevents food from sticking, making cleanup fast and effortless. No more scrubbing for hours. Simply wipe it clean, and you're good to go. Even cooking every time. Thanks to its aluminum body structure, the Bezia stock pot guarantees efficient heat distribution for fast and even cooking. Whether you're simmering soup, cooking pasta, or making a hearty stew, you'll never have to worry about hot spots or uneven cooking. Save time in the kitchen. With its excellent heat conductivity, your cooking process will be faster and more efficient, allowing you to get meals on the table in less time. Versatility across all stove types. Works with all stovetops. This 6-quart stock pot is compatible with all stove types, including gas, electric, halogen, ceramic, and induction cookers. Whether you have a traditional gas stove or the latest induction cooktop, the Bezia pot has you covered. Oven safe for versatile cooking. Oven safe. Up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Bezia 6-quart stock pot is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which expands your cooking options. You can easily transition from stovetop to oven for roasting, baking, or finishing your dish with a broil. This is perfect for dishes like baked ziti, casseroles, or pot roasts that require both stovetop and oven cooking. Important note: while the pot itself is oven safe, the lid should not be placed in the oven, so be mindful when using the oven. Shatterproof glass lid with ventilation. Monitor cooking progress easily. The shatterproof glass lid of the Bezia stock pot is designed with a perforated design that allows excess water vapor to escape while retaining the original flavor of your food. You can check the cooking progress without having to lift the lid, which helps to retain heat and reduce cooking time. Multifunctional cooking pot, ideal for multiple cooking styles. The Bezia 6-quart nonstick stock pot is perfect for a variety of cooking styles. Whether you're making soups, stews, pasta, curries, or even risotto, this pot can handle it all. It's the ideal size for family meals, and its versatile design allows you to experiment with different cuisines. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.